Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I got ready to prepare and take my own graduation photos. Even though I technically received my diploma in December and it's way past December now, I decided that I shouldn't pass up the opportunity to at least wear my graduation regalia once. So I took some photos and here's how that process turned out. Alright, I'm actually feeling this lip color. It's a sample that I got from Smashbox a while back. It's called Stepping Out. So I just decided to put it on. So I'll probably take some pictures in this and then switch over to regular gloss, or I might do another lip color, but we'll see. Right now I'm letting my eyeliner from my magnetic lashes dry so I can get them on easy and be getting there, y'all, despite all these struggles. Feels like they're on firmly enough, I think. Okay, yeah, I think they're fine. All right, let me try to do something to my hair now. I just put a bobby pin in there. I might change it up, but I don't really know, because my hair is still kind of short, so it's not a lot of styles I can do. So I'm gonna see how this looks. If not, I'll just like change up which locks I'm pinning. And one of the main reasons why I didn't really want to get professional photos is because when I first graduated, or when I first got my diploma in December, my hair was looking crazy to me and I wasn't really feeling confident with it. And now I kind of wish I would have still went through with it and got professional photos, but just being honest, my confidence with my locks wasn't all the way there then, but it's up there now. So I'm about to take these photos. Y'all, this has been so chaotic so far. I can't even zip my dress up all the way because I need somebody to help me. My tripod for my camera, I don't know if I broke it or what. I just don't remember it being this short. It's literally this tall. So I might have to prop it up on something. I swear it feels like this should be taller. I think I got another one somewhere, but I'm not sure. But anyway, this y'all make it do. All right, gonna put my hood on. Oop, let's definitely put that on wrong. I think I have to have this little string right here. I still think I got it all wrong. I think I do, but it's okay. Ooh, and then I'm sweating, Lord. Okay. Let me figure out how to put this thing on and I'll be back. All right, y'all, I completely gave up on using my camera, like my actual Canon camera. to shoot these photos. So I'm using my iPhone, and I think the pictures are turning out fine. I'll insert some at the end of this video so y'all can check them out. I've honestly been moving all over my room trying to find a place that has good lighting because the sun is setting. It's like 6 something now, so it's not a lot of light coming in my room. And I got my little ring light, and it's doing a little something, but not a lot. So this probably would be better if I was doing it outside, but I don't really want to do it outside because I'm gonna feel awkward out there just shooting photos. But I feel like one day I'll have to just go ahead and do that, because if I want to take my YouTube seriously, social media seriously, all that, that's something I just have to be comfortable with too, especially since I said I want to get into photography more so. But I got this little white dress on. It doesn't really fit that well, honestly, so I didn't really get like no full body pictures. This is honestly a dress that I was planning on wearing when I graduated from Harvard. I was gonna wear it either to a graduation or my graduation dinner. Yeah, I was gonna wear it for one of them occasions, but I didn't ever wear it. But I did wear a black version of this dress for my graduation dinner. So I think I had a black one, a yellow one, and this white one. I wore the yellow one. I think I wore that to our first gym graduation. But yeah, I think I might make one more outfit change and then call it a day, because I got a lot of pictures and I'm satisfied with the ones I do have so far. So, all right, I'll be back. All right, y'all, that's over with. It was actually a lot of fun, but I wish things would have went smoother, but it's okay. I enjoyed myself, and I'm glad I got some nice pictures in the process. If I like them enough, I might even post them tonight. I don't know, we're gonna see. But that was a lot of fun. This is gonna serve as a reminder to me to be open to celebrating myself, because I've been doing some incredible stuff these past few months, and I really just don't take enough time to actually bask in it. But me, I'm always thinking about what's next, what's next, what's next. Sorry, I had to put my phone down because my arms got tired. But really, this is just serving as a reminder to me, and hopefully to y'all too, that no matter how big or small something may seem, take the time out to celebrate yourself. Life is hard, and you're out here doing incredible stuff. So celebrate yourself. Even if nobody else will, you can celebrate yourself, because at the end of the day, you're the one who has to live with yourself every day. So you should be making yourself feel special every single day. So yeah, that's a lesson that I'm trying to learn, and I'm a work in progress. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all back here next time. Bye. Just another small note before we go. Given all the makeup fails that we had while I was recording this video, I think my makeup actually turned out pretty good. Like, not even gonna lie. Because I was trying this new blending technique that I saw on TikTok. I think I was in such a rush that I wasn't actually doing it right. It's like where you put like the eyeshadow, like your dark shade, and then you kind of, like, it's like a gradient. So you put a line here, line here, line here, line here, and then you just blend it all together. I'm gonna try to insert the clip if I can. I don't really know how to do that, but I'm gonna try to do that so I can see which TikTok I'm talking about. But if not, if I can't insert it, I'm gonna put it in the description box. All right, I'm going now, bye.